What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hammer. Welcome to Hammer on 2. Yeah, today we're in the Cycle Gear in Glen Burnie, Maryland. You know, Platinum's down getting a job done to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around, take a look at some of these machines, and hey, let's check them out. All right, here we have the Christian Motorcyclists Association. So they're the ones who actually are serving the food, giving donations, because the food's actually free, but they're accepting donations. They're grilling, actually in the back here. Let's see if I can find somebody to let me know about their organization.
We ride with CMA, Christian Motorcycle Association, and we meet here we're out of Glen Burnie. We meet here it's right behind Outback Steakhouse. It's a Pizza Italiano. We do a lot of stuff in the community, help out the homeless. We feed homeless at the churches, at winter relief, stuff like that. It's a great organization. It's worldwide. We have a big event here, May 3rd. We're gonna have a band. We're gonna have a pit meat, pit ham, pit turkey, 100-mile ride down to North Beach. It's gonna be fun. Bike racing in the morning. It's gonna be nice. Stop out and see us anytime.
All right, and what's your name?
My name's Gene.
Gene. All right. All right. So we're out here with Gene, the VP. So check him out. He gave you all the details. You're on the phone. Uh-oh. Check her out. What year is it?
2022.
2022. Oh, nice, nice. How long have you had it?
I had this for 2 years.
2 years. Oh, so you had another one?
I got the big Spider, the 900 Spider Can-Am.
Oh, okay. So you just collecting these things. Oh, nice, nice. But they all a different ride, you know, different ride.
This is the 600. That's a 900, the Spider.
Okay, okay. Oh, nice. Check it out. Check it out. She's doing her thing. So all you ladies out there, you want to ride something, got something for you to ride. And what do they call you?
Mac, Shirley Mac.
All right, there you go. All right, Hammer, nice to meet you. Look at this. Y'all already know who this is right here. What's up, lady? How's it going?
Hey, look,
Hey.
I never met her before, but I know where that is from.
Nice, nice. She's riding Toothless. Check her out. See, I had to always remember that. Nice. Yeah, but first of all, you're not old, so I don't even know why you like, oh man.
I started out on that ride.
Yeah, but you're a young dude.
I've been down plenty times, bro. I had to change it up.
My man, that's what I'm talking about.
I ain't scared. I just went down last year. I almost killed myself on my white R1. So
Oh, did you? I'm surprised she ain't kill you since you messed up there all
I
once.
just bought it for she didn't get a chance to
Oh, what?
How are you?
Check it out. But that's all right, man. That's what you do. You know, you slow yourself down. You know what I mean?
I had to change up, man. My kid, videos, by the way. Something different. When you see bikes,
Uh-huh.
you don't know how to act. So
You already know he's going to want to ride.
they ride four-wheelers and shit now.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I had to change up. I got a bunch of boys out here too that's about to pull up.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right, bet. Check this out.
Oh, yeah, no, I recognize the picture immediately.
Man, that is beautiful, that boots. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Green's nice. Tinted lens. Look at carbon fiber. Wonder what these switches are for. Check it out. That's all right, so my man pushing his jigsaw over there. Check him out. So look at little, look at it. Yeah, man, they rolling in here. Check them out. Yes, sir. Nice. Got the Kawasaki Ninja 500. A lot of people like these bikes. Hello, how are you? Just fine. About riding the 650. All right, she's Team Cowie. What's your name? Shannon. All right, how long you been riding? About 20 years. Okay, all right. So I'm not even gonna ask you how many miles it is, because that's a lot of seat time. Nice, nice. Is this your only bike? Your only bike? Right now? Okay. What are you thinking about getting? What are you thinking about getting?
Just a 750.
Oh, 750. Okay. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. This yours? Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Got that jigsaw.
You have a bike? Where's your bike?
I'm getting a little something done to it. It should be ready within the next 2 weeks. Because the mechanic, myself, trying to do all the work. So, yeah, I'm just waiting for some parts to come in, a couple of pieces come in. Hayabusa. Yeah, so, yeah.
I can get past that look. I like it. I just can't get past the asshole. The bubble. I can't. The bubble.
So, you know, there's some people that put a 1,000 back on it.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so it looks a little different when you do that, but I did something a little bit different, but I still got the bubble on the back though.
Yeah, it's just, I don't know, it just looks like a bubble.
Yeah, the curve down instead of the curve up. Yeah, yeah, it makes sense. All right, let's keep it going. Check it out, check it out. So guys standing around not telling the truth about their machines. I didn't do anything to my bike. Check out the crowd.
Are you riding tomorrow?
No, I'm getting waiting for a couple of pieces to come from my bike. I'm doing some little upgrades to it.
Just sent the other half to the Connie.
Oh, did you?
Yep. So I had to get something to keep up the ZX10.
It's a beautiful bike though.
Roll out. I'm gonna go there tomorrow.
Oh, you coming out there tomorrow to the Wawa? Okay. It'll probably be a lot of bikes out there tomorrow too. Yeah.
You see Ian's new Goldman.
Oh, that's not it. So yeah, he got that Honda's nice. It's fully loaded.
He's living the dream.
He is.
How much longer will we see him?
But you know, with him, everything's for sale at any time. There's no telling. Yeah.
So you think we can be out by what? A couple more weeks?
Probably, maybe. It depends. You
Big
know.
surprise or?
No, it's just a little slight change up.
I don't know about you, man.
Just
like motor wheels and all sorts of
no, just a slight change. Just a slight change, making it a little bit more comfortable. The look would be a little bit different.
Oh, I saw you're doing risers and something else, right?
Yeah, I'm doing some. Yeah, a couple other things too. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. All right. So here we go.
Jefferson.
So one of my oldest ride buddies right here. What's going on with
How
you,
you
man?
doing, sir?
Hammer, man.
Saint, nice to meet you,
Saint,
man.
nice to meet you,
yes,
brother.
sir.
Nice to meet you. What you riding out here?
Black S1000.
Oh, the S1. Oh, you a BMW dude too?
I just got there this year.
Oh, you
I was a Ducati guy before that.
Oh, well, you definitely. I'm not gonna say you definitely upgraded,
Hey.
but the Ducati's made for the track.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, you
100%.
can't ride
I
them
can't
around.
ride that in the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to upgrade.
All right, so let's keep it moving.
Oh, yeah.
So you see all the bikers here pulling up. Yeah, man, bikers having a good time. Happy to see each other. People taking pictures. People already planning the rides for this summer. Check out. Got another young lady ride. Yeah, the bike has some little scratches on it. Don't know if she did it or not. Hello. Did you do that? Maybe. Oh, stunting? Were you trying to stunt? Oh no. Oh, gravel. Okay. What's your name? Adora. You from Maryland side or Virginia side? Maryland side. All right. I'm Hammer. Nice to meet you. All right. Here we go. right, first burnout of the year. Check it out. He needs a new tire anyway. Check them all out. My boy over here, Mill. He decided to come out today. You know what I'm saying? What's up, man? What's going on, bro? What's up, brother? All right. So you rode today, huh? I needed the rain. I know, man. I might be 2 weeks out. I'm waiting for my pieces to come in so I can finish this bike up, man.
Go ahead and buy a new bike for the meantime.
Yeah, right. Yeah. In this economy. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah, bikes are pulling in all over the place. Getting ready for the ride. What's up, man? What's going on? Oh, so this is your R1.
That old man R1, buddy.
Yeah, what year is this?
It's an FC one. It's 09.
09, okay.
Yeah, but it's R1 motor. A little more upright, a little more comfortable. I'm too old for that laid over shit.
Well, you know, I'm fighting against it. I'm fighting against, you know what I'm saying? But
Bad motherfucker.
yeah, it is. I used to want an FZ. What was it? 1200 back then, 1100. I used to want one of those. Yeah. Yeah, man. You get power and comfort. You know what I'm saying? What's your name? Ben. All right, Hammer, man.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother. All right. Keep it down. Oh, man. Check this out. This is all liquid carbon.
You want this business. That's the only thing I want.
Whose bike is this? Oh, you already went?
This ain't mine though.
Oh, this is nice. It almost looks like Eve's. Got the extended swing on. I was wondering about that right there. Probably bought the one that went on the 1000. I wish I could find them. Check it out. Nice little bike. All right, you can see these brothers, they ready to roll. Look at that, all the carbon. All right, man, check these bikes out. These bikes are not for looks, they're for ride. Check them out. We don't know where they're about to go. We don't know what they're about to do. But we do know they probably won't be cruising. But these bikes are nice. Check them out. Check them out. Yes, indeed. Check them out. Yes, sir. Oh, my man's popping over here. Check him out. All right, there they go. Alright, so we're about ready to close this video out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. You know, yeah, this is the first of many bike meetups that we're going to go to this year. During the week, on the weekend, I'll be trying to ride. You know what I mean? But anyway, yeah, man. Until next time, your boy Ham out. Peace.